Alright, what's up, you guys? I'm gonna be showing you guys my pickup part 2 for my 2018 firework stash. And yeah, so everything I got right now are salutes. So yeah. Alright. So first thing I got is Crazy Fruits by Clown. Y'all know what this is. 200 grams, 25 shots. Sick performance right there. Red, white, blue comments. But you know that's not the performance. Something else. No salutes. And then I got some little ground salutes right here. Three of them. These detonators. I got 3 of those. And then I got Zombie's Revenge salute canisters. You can see they're all green palm and crackling, but they're actually salutes, so you know they gotta have a label on there, you know. And then this one says Golden Willows. So yeah, but it's everything that I got so far. I should be getting some more stuff, but yeah, that's part 2 of my 2018 firework stash. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.